The violence would stop the moment Mr. Biren Singh is able to rein in his militia. It's not just a law and order situation. It's not an aberration against his Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign. It is a deep political problem. Forget about the ordinary citizens. See, even as an elected MLA, there is no security of life for me to go and attend the assembly in Imphal. The actual perpetrators of the violence, not to condone them, I think are less guilty than the people who instigated. 99% of the violence happens because of the attacks by the Meitei militia alongside the police commandos on Kuki inhabited villages on the fringes. These atrocities are beyond war. Very unfortunate, I must say. We have been crying horrors. We have met the Union Home Minister. We have sought, as representatives of the people, an appointment with the Prime Minister himself. There was no response. Till today, we're still waiting for that opportunity to apprise him the gravity of the situation. Forget about 79 days. For such scale of violence, even a week is a long time. And I am very disappointed as a leader of my people. It feels that priorities are entirely misplaced. On certain things, on basic human rights issues, we as a country need to learn to go beyond party lines.